Hey, do you ever visit somebody, walk into their home, and you get a whiff of the smell? It's just a smell that's not the best, and you don't know how to say anything or if you should even say anything at all. And let's face it, sometimes it's in our own home and we're noseblind to it. Well, I'm going to give you a tip that's going to help you eliminate cooking smells from your home. Hey everyone, I'm John DeFrays. I'm a local realtor with Sutton Group Summer Realty, bringing you advice and tips, helping you in your everyday life. So today I want to talk about that home smell that we're noseblind to. It's our own cooking. Sometimes it can smell great, but let's face it, you don't want your house to constantly smell like cooking odor. And there's some cooking odors that are obviously far worse smelling than others. I would say that deep frying is one of the biggest culprits of staining a smell in your home. Now, how to get rid of it? Well, there's plenty of options to try and get rid of smells. One of them is boiling a ton of vinegar, but one that I've used and I found to be the best is a combination of a few ingredients. It makes the house smell great, and it also helps eliminate deep smells like fried cooking. So here's what you do. You start with some boiled water. You get a little bit of water boiling in a pot, perhaps, 5 cups or so of water. Add to it some whole oranges. You want to add whole oranges because the skin will release a ton of oils, and that's where the fragrance is within the skin. Start boiling some of those oranges. 2 should be plenty, and you could even zest them if you prefer, and then save the oranges for yourself a little bit later. Get that boiling. Buy some bulk cinnamon and bulk vanilla extract. Not the real thing, that would cost an arm and a leg, but artificial vanilla. Nobody wants to really cook with that stuff. It's hideous, but you can use it to smell great. So you buy a bulk of both. And I found that there are some places where you can definitely get some pretty good deals. The best deal I found have been for this cinnamon brand and for this vanilla brand, both relatively great prices for the amount you get. So once the water is boiling and you have your oranges in there, you add a couple of tablespoons full of ground cinnamon, mix that in, and then once that starts to kind of set in, then you go ahead and you add probably about, I would say, 2 cups of vanilla extract, the artificial stuff, and you let that boil away. I would say a good 15-20 minutes. Don't go too far away because it's not a huge pot of boiling liquid, so you want to make sure you keep an eye on it in case most of it starts to evaporate away. But 15 minutes should be plenty of time to really change and get rid of those odors. So this will certainly make your home smell significantly better and eliminate a lot of cooking smells. Hopefully that was a tip that you can use in the near future to help your home smell like $1,000,000.